Hello students, today I am going to present my next YouTube video and it's I am going to present on an important topic about vocabulary. हिंदी में इसको शब्द भंडार कहा जाता है which is very vital topic not only for junior classes but for senior classes also, plus it's for all competitive exams. First, the word cooperative, 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 as adjective, सहकारी, collaborative, synonym, collective. Its antonym is individual. Example sentence: every member has clearly defined tasks in a cooperative enterprise. Second, caution, caution, caution. Caution as a noun, सावधानी. Care, its synonym is wariness or awareness. Antonym is incaution. Example: anyone receiving a suspect package should exercise extreme caution. Next, federal, 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 as an adjective, संयुक्त, confederate. Its synonym is combined. Antonym is unitary, single. Example: the health ministry has sole federal responsibility for health care. Now I would like to emphasize that there are two terms in English. One is sole, S-O-L-E, and another is S-O-U-L, soul. There is lot of difference between soul, S-O-L-E, and S-O-U-L. Now, soul, S-O-L-E, means whole or fully, whereas soul, S-O-U-L, soul, means conscience, Atma. Now, for example, you can say the commissioner is whole and soul of our NVS, that is Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, besides the education ministry. Okay. Next word is retribution, retribution, retribution. As a noun, pratidand, meaning punishment. Synonym, its synonym is penalty or nemesis. Its antonym is forgiveness. Example: employees were asked not to be named, saying they feared retribution. Next word is viable, 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 as an adjective, vyavharya, workable. Now its synonym is feasible, or you can say practicable. Its antonym is impracticable. Example: the proposed investment was said to be economically viable. Investment means whatever money you have, you are investing. जो भी पैसा तुम्हारे पास है और तुम किसी चीज पे इन्वेस्ट, किसी पे लगा रहे हो. Next word is insurgent, insurgent. Insurgent as a noun means विद्रोही, rebel. Synonym: revolutionary or mutineer. Its antonym is loyalist, वफादार. Example: the armed insurgents planned an attack. Next word is compromise, compromise, compromise as a noun. हिंदी में इसकी मीनिंग है समझौता. In English, agreement. Its synonym is understanding, settlement. And antonym is intransigence. Example: eventually they reached a compromise. Eventually means at last, finally. Next word is spectacular, as an adjective. हिंदी में इसको प्रभावशाली बोला जाता है, और and in English we say impressive. Its synonym is magnificent or splendid. Its antonym is unimpressive. Example: the sentence is, the party suffered a spectacular loss in the election. Next word is inept, inept, inept as an adjective. हिंदी में इसकी मीनिंग अयोग्य, and in English incompetent. Now its synonym is unskillful or unskilled. Its antonym is competent, saksham. Example: The referee was inept to handle the match. It means that he was unable to tackle the match. ठीक से वो उसको समझा सुलझा नहीं पाया. Next word is, the last word is credulity. CREDULITY. Credulity as a noun. हिंदी में इसको भोलापन कहा जाता है, इंग्लिश में gullibility. Synonym, its synonym is naivety, NAIVETY, or innocence. Its antonym is worldliness, WORLDLINESS, worldliness. Example, money lenders prey upon their credulity. Okay. Now money lenders उनको कहा जाता है जो पैसा देते हैं और उसके बदले में वो इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं. सूदखोर इनको बोला जाता है. Now there are two terms in English. First one is prey, and prey in spelling is PREY, and the second word is pray, PRAY. Now there is a lot of difference between these two terms. Prey, PREY, prey means victim or shikar. For example, we can say the lion killed a deer in the forest. Now, the deer is the victim of the lion because the lion killed him. Second word is pray, PRAY, which means to worship, puja karna. For example, we say Hindus pray in temple. Now, you follow these vocabulary, use this vocabulary in your daily life and use as much as possible so as you may improve your English, how you are able to speak English better, okay, so as to impress the others. Okay, and thanks. Have a good day.